In the last few videos, we have discussed about various Python data types. In this video, we'll see how Python data types can be categorized into mutable type and the immutable type. The objects whose contents can be changed, such objects are known as the mutable objects or the mutable data types. Say for example, in Python, int, float, string, tuple, these are the immutable data types, or the objects you are creating with these data types, they are the immutable objects. The reason is, once you create them, the contents of these data objects is not possible to change. And there are some other type of data where the contents of the objects can be changed. Say for example, if you consider list, dictionary, set, so once these objects are created, it is possible to either add or remove or delete the contents of these objects. That's how these data types are considered as mutable types in Python. So remember one thing, integer, float, string, tuple, these data types are considered as immutable types, as it is not possible to update the contents of these types. Whereas the data objects that are created using the list, dictionary, set, they are treated as mutable types, because once you create, they are allowed to change. So consider this example, x equal to 10, which is an integer type. Actually, integer comes under immutable type. So when you call the id method by passing x as a variable, then it returns an integer id. So some id you will get. Say for example, you are incrementing the value of x to x plus 1. That means you are changing the value of x by 1. Then when you check the id of x again, then you will get a different id. You can observe that before applying the incrementation, so you are getting one id, and after applying the incrementation, you are getting a different id. So the reason for this is, actually whenever you are doing x equal to 10, what happens is, so the object 10 will be created and the name x you are giving to the object 10. Whenever you are incrementing x equal to x plus 1, then what happens is, so the object 11 is created and to that again the name x you are assigning. So actually 10 and 11 are two different objects. You are not updating the content of the integer object, you are actually creating another object and assigning the name x to that object. So that's how you are getting different IDs. You can understand that the contents of the integer objects cannot be changed. Similarly, the contents of floating point types or the contents of the tuples cannot be changed. So that's how they come under the category of the immutable types. So now let's see what is the difference between list and tuple. List come under the category of mutable type, whereas tuple come under the category of immutable type. So consider this example, where L is a list with the collection of elements 10, 20, 30 and 40. So and consider the tuple with the same collection of elements 10, 20, 30, 40. So L is a list and T is a tuple. Here to the list L, I am adding a new element by calling the method L.append of 50. Here what happens is, after executing this statement, so L becomes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That is, a new element is added to the list L. So earlier only 4 elements were there, now you have a new element 50 appended to the list L. So you can even remove an element from the list by using the remove method. So L.remove of 10, actually you are removing the element 10 from the list. Now the list will become, after adding a new element 50 and after removing the element 10, your list will be 20, 30, 40, 50. That's how on list it is possible to add new elements to the list or to delete the existing elements from the list. That's how lists are considered as the mutable types, whereas tuple, it's not valid to do any kind of updations. So you cannot use append method or you cannot use the remove method. So you cannot use any method to update the tuple. That's how lists are treated as the immutable types. In this video, we have seen what are the Python data types that come under the category of mutable types and which data types in Python are treated as immutable types. So I hope now you understand the difference between mutable data types and the immutable data types, and how lists are treated as mutable types and how tuples are treated as immutable types in Python. Thank you for watching this video.